they remembered that on the set. They actually remembered exactly the reference, and so it was about tweaking that. It was about कि अच्छा ये maybe pace थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. It's not working for this particular scene. We need to slow it down थोड़ा, and we need to take थोड़ा more ठहराव. So it was about those tweaking here and there. Otherwise, when you work on something for so long, इतना black and white नहीं होता कि मतलब वो नहीं ये तो ऐसे देख नहीं रहे हम लोग. Especially with as great actors as these, you know,
it's also very interesting to know that आप ऐसी फिल्म बना रहे थे which is, you know, it's emotional, it's got its own set of drama and there is, you know, a real pain at the core of it जो last में reveal होता है, but आपने जो उनको reference दिया was of a comedy film, so that was intentional कि ताकि वो performances नहीं सिर्फ वो उतना.
So like I said, that was about the rhythm of the dialogue exchange. It was so उसमें the comicness of it was actually there in a bit. If you remember the scene where she's asking him about Prabha for the first time.
Yes.
And he's talking about gas है मुझे problem and you know ये वो, and then he goes on talking about how much he loves Prabha. So that bit actually had a very human, a bit of an endearing kind of a beat. तो उसमें it wasn't comedy but the rhythm kind of worked for that scene. So उसके लिए I had in fact another short film जिसका reference मैंने सोचा था. And so yeah, that's what we used.
So you are all about references कि मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ मुझे exact क्या चाहिए.
It is not all about references, it's about communicating कि मतलब यार काफी बार दिमाग में होता है but आप convey नहीं कर सकते. So sometimes when you find something यार देखो यार ये बैठ रहा है जो मेरे दिमाग में है तो आप ये देख लो, maybe you'll understand what I'm trying to say better. So it's just that.
Interesting. Okay. So coming to the story, I'm very intrigued. कि ये pure fictional कहानी है और did you read an article or has it or did it happen in, you know, close quarters that you saw something like this and you said ये इसको लेके I can make a film.
So मेरी एक friend है रुचिरा, उसने ये सुना हुआ था एक किस्सा कहीं पे which is a real thing कि someone who was suffering from Alzheimer's actually forgot that his wife had passed away and would go through that pain on a daily basis like it's a fresh pain. So it was a very tragic thing and it was something which stayed with me कि यार ये बंदा मतलब because he really loved his wife. So every day नया news मिलना कि यार your wife is no more and to go through that pain like it's completely new. It's very heartbreaking. So that stayed with me but I didn't know what to do with that for longest time because एक तो यार if the character keeps forgetting things, then he resets, and then you cannot have an arc. You need a character arc in a film. So then I figured कि ये बंदा किसी की और की स्टोरी में कैटलिस्ट हो सकता है, ये बंदा प्रोटैगनिस्ट शायद नहीं हो सकता. So that's how Dipti's character got made, and then Dipti की स्टोरी में how became a catalyst, and all that kind of got weaved after a point.
So